Hello guys, in this video I'm going to install the HEED Crashbars on my KTM Super Adventure S. So all this comes in the package, and as you can see it's well protected, and I already unpacked the crash bar for the right side. So here you can see my KTM Super Adventure where I'm gonna mount the crash bars on, and when we take a closer look you can see that there's already a bit of damage, so I'm actually too late to install them because some car hits me, but okay, those things happens. Everything is ready, and the first step is to put this shock absorbers here, here, here and here. So I remove these 4 bolts from the lower part fairing. And I replace them by these shock absorbers. And you just have to put it hand tight. So that's the first part. 4 shock absorbers. So for the next step you have to take this rubber out at both sides, and this is going through the hole. So the left one out. The right one out. Flip. And now we put this through the hole. So we start with installing the right side. Just come like this. Like this. This point is coming here. This bolt is coming on the engine. And this U-clamp is coming here on the frame, like this. So this is the right side, and I'm not tightening any bolts, everything is just hand tight. So now we're gonna install the crash bar on the left hand side. Okay, so far already everything is hand tight. And now we go to the next step. And the next step is connecting this. So the next step is to connect the lower parts here. So the next step is to install this bracket on the shock absorbers. So my crash bars are installed. I just have to tighten all my bolts, and I'm gonna apply some medium strength Loctite to the threads of the bolts. So here we go. So my crash bars are installed and it all fits very well, and of course I hope I never need them. So this was it. I hope this video was useful. Please join my channel and subscribe, and I hope I see you back.